Today I will show you Onkyo TX SR309 5.1 receiver review video. Young children are game-oriented. They love playing games with more passion, especially during the holidays. Finding the best home theater receiver that has the latest technology will make things go. An Onkyo TX SR309 is a powerful 5.1 inches music gadget that keeps you encouraged with music mission and keeps home entertainment activities lively. It comes with updated features with simple setup and high-quality building. Let's look at its features. This Onkyo home theater receiver features the latest 3D technology. The good news is that you can swiftly play 3D games, as well as broadcasting any content in a cinematic design and quality at your pleasure. The result will be the production of top-notch video images and quality sound production that will boost your music experience. Onkyo TX SR309 is among the Onkyo home receiver best as it has 3 HDMI input ports that allow you to connect high-definition sources such as gaming console, Blu-ray player, and a satellite tuner. Additionally, the HDMI output will enable you to send pristine audio and video signals that yield top-notch display. Also, the content received via the HDTV is easily upstreamed using the HDMI to the receiver without necessarily removing the PDIF cable. This Onkyo home theater receiver has an advanced music optimizer that helps in the compensation of lost information as well as improving the compressed audio signals. This onboard feature helps to enhance video signals that tend to add distortion. The result is a clean sound production with an original taste that makes you feel as if you are part of the music.